I said goodbye to my chains when I said hello to your perfect love.